Well, next, despite the economic gloom, the number of people buying and selling goods on the internet is rising year by year. That's led to an increase in the number of entrepreneurs making money on trading sites such as eBay.
Yeah, Manchester has today been named as one of the hotspots for online businesses. Claire Ashforth has been to meet one company finding success in cyberspace.
It's certainly revolutionised the way we shop, but it seems to have transformed a few bank accounts too. Now, Manchester's been listed as one of the top locations for creating millionaires from online sales. Just ask the 26-year-old who's transformed a 50-year-old car accessories company.
We knew it was possible. We didn't think it would have come this quick, and the success we've had in the time frame, so little it's been. But we knew it was potentially there, and we're just really glad we've achieved it, and we want to continue the success.
And it's easy to see why online trade is booming. Instead of a shop, all you need is a web page. Instead of opening hours, you can trade all day, every day. Rather than needing a shop to display your stock, all you need is a few good pictures, and your customers can literally be anywhere in the world as long as they're on the internet. But can online shopping ever really replace the high street?
Check it out on the internet first and then go into the shops and try it out.
No, I would probably check out things in the high street and then go and order them online, because it's easier to shop for some things on, you know, from a delivery point of view.
Yeah, I like to touch things, I like to see them, try them on.
I think they complement each other rather than in competition. I think you do both.
Either I don't do shopping, to be honest.
But whatever your preference, there's little doubt that instead of a double-dip recession, they're enjoying a double-click boom. And the number of eBay millionaires is set to increase by 25% this year alone, as our love of desktop shopping continues. Claire Ashforth, Granada Reports, Manchester.
Online or high street?
I agree with that, chap. Bit of both.
Bit of both. All right, fair enough. Thanks very much.